Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a short video on how to avoid cross-loading either a carabiner or a safety hook like this. And where that happens most often is in a setting where you have small diameter objects on which to go around. Okay, and what you don't want to do is this right here. Okay, it's you're cross-loading your safety device, and it's just a really ugly look. Okay, it looks really unprofessional. Okay, but sometimes you're forced to use something small like that, like a safety rail on a catwalk or something like that. Alright, so how do we fix that? Well, we can go around it again, and the easiest way is to come up here and to tie a simple clove hitch. Okay, so I've got my clove hitch, and then I can clip into my clove, tighten that down. Now this safety lanyard's got a really stiff rope, so the knots aren't going to be as pretty as a regular rope, but they still work. Okay, and then when I weight it, I'm putting my weight on the clove hitch around my safety device, and it eliminates that cross-loading. Okay, so that's one way. Probably the easiest and the quickest, but there's another way I like to show you. And basically you're just going to tie a directional figure 8. Okay, now if you don't remember how to tie this, I have a video on this specifically you can check out, but just tie a directional 8 back towards your safety hook. Okay, so I got my directional 8, and then I can wrap it around. Just like that. Okay, and this is driving me crazy. This knot's not dressing like I want it to, but it's the stiffness of the rope. Okay, so you get the idea though. So that is it. 2 different ways of not cross-loading your safety hook or your carabiner. Okay, now as an edge attendant, I can safely walk away from my anchor to my edge and do what I need to do. Okay, well, very good. See you in the next one.